Hi everyone, welcome to What's for Dinner. My name is Gordo and this is my dad.
Hello everybody.
He was a chef and restaurant owner for more than 20 years and he's here to teach us how to cook simple Chinese dishes at home. So if you want to learn more Chinese recipes, please like and subscribe to our channel. Anyways, today we're making Cantonese Style Chicken.
Yes, Poached Chicken.
This is always a family favorite of ours to make. It is one of my favorite comfort foods and it's simple to make and just needs a bit of love. We're also going to show you how to make our delicious green onion sauce that we dip our chicken in. Alright, to start off we'll need green onion, a whole chicken, salt, pepper, turmeric powder, ginger, sugar, and chicken flavoring. Alright, first we're going to start prepping our sauce. First we'll need to chop up 3 green onions into tiny little pieces. And for the ginger, we're also going to do the same with a thumb-sized knob and we're going to slice it into thin pieces and then chop it up finely and then put it into the same bowl. I also recommend chopping up 1 or 2 cloves of garlic in there as well. We didn't have any today, so we didn't mix it in. Now we're going to add 1 spoon of sugar in there, 1 teaspoon of pepper, a small spoon of salt, a small tablespoon of chicken flavoring, and a dash of sesame oil. Mix it all up until all the flavors are incorporated with one another, and now we're going to heat up the oil. First, we're going to heat up our pan till it's really hot. Then, once your pan is nice and toasted, pour some vegetable oil in there and heat it up until you see a little bit of smoke coming up or heating the oil for at least 1.5 minutes. Then, turn off the gas and carefully pour over the oil on the green onion and ginger sauce and mix it around. This sauce is absolutely delicious and highly recommend making this for your chicken. For our chicken, get a large pot that can fit your chicken in there and fill up the pot with 3/4 with water and bring it up to a boil. Once it's at a boil, we're going to put our chicken in there and let it cook on one side for at least 20 seconds and then we're going to switch it over to the other side of the chicken for 20 seconds and then switch it over to the left and right side of the chicken. This will ensure that the chicken will cook evenly throughout. Then, after you got all 4 sides, add in 1 large spoon of turmeric powder and mix it through the water. Once again, make sure to coat all sides of the chicken for another 20 seconds each and make sure all sides have gotten a little bit of color and then bring out the chicken onto a cold bowl of water. This will halt the cooking process and wait for the broth to come back to a boil. Once the broth is back to a boil, put your chicken back in there and turn the gas down to low. We're going to let this cook for another 15 minutes and then we're going to turn it over one more time and let it cook for another 15 minutes, so half an hour total of cooking. Once you've cooked it for 30 minutes, bring out the chicken onto a large plate. Then we're going to add some salt throughout the chicken as well as some in the cavity. Once salted through, cover it with plastic wrap for at least 10 to 15 minutes to let the chicken rest and absorb all the juices and salt and it will be ready to chop up. After 10 to 15 minutes, it should be ready to chop up. There's many ways of chopping up a chicken, but we like to chop it up first in half and then cut each piece and lay it down nicely on a plate. Now let's watch the master at work.
lên đi tổ phần chị gần trung canh của quất âm ngô ngàn hay hiểu pin cầm xem hả em hỏi chị cầm chén rồi nè cầm chén rồi chén rồi cầm rồi chén chấm rồi hả tay nhiều cái không nhiều.
Alright, once you're done cutting and plating it up, it's ready to serve. Add some of the delicious sauce on top and let's get to munchin'. I hope you all enjoy.
Okay, let's eat some chicken.
Okay.
Okay. Whoa! You said next time? No, it's my time. Welcome to my show, the Variant Show. Alright. Cantonese Style Chicken, my favorite. And I love to dip it with this beautiful ginger sauce. Absolutely glorious. Alright, thank you for watching. Hope to see you next time.